Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring this video for you guys today because I've actually been wanting to do this for such a long time, and I'm so grateful and so thankful to Sugar and Kush for sending me these products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. All of my opinions on the products and everything are 100% my own. I just wanted to put that out there just in case you guys thought differently. But I am really excited to share this because it's actually something that I've been wanting to try out for a very long time. And it's something that I really was hoping that would help me with some issues that I had. So basically, let's start out with my anxiety, which is through the roof. I'm an overthinker, an overplanner. I'm crazy. I have lists on lists on lists. I need everything to be in order. I'm like a type A personality, which I don't think I am. I just think I have anxiety and I need everything to be in order for my life to be in control. So for me to be in control of my life. So that being said, I want to give you guys the backstory on why this is. Basically, I went to art school and I was constantly critiqued. Back when I was also in high school, I started YouTube and I was constantly critiqued on here as well. So just doing this, and a lot of YouTubers I find have this issue, like we have a lot of anxiety. Putting up a video, putting up a post, talking about a certain topic, like you never know what you can get. So I have legitimate anxiety. Back in the day, I was on medication for it just because like I literally couldn't sleep. I literally could not be alone with my thoughts. So it was just like a rough time. And then I kind of grew up. I kind of learned how to deal with it a little better in different creative ways, like writing down morning pages, just getting my emotions out there, and I found myself basically. But even now, I still get anxiety attacks. I'm still an overplanner. I'm still an overthinker. I literally will repeat and watch over a story over and over again after posting it, like just to see all the little bits and bobs about the story. It's crazy. It's like unnecessary. I waste a lot of time just doing these things, and I know it's like borderline OCD. It's a lot of things. I also have trouble sleeping a lot just because of this exact same reason. Like being alone with my thoughts and just thinking all the time. It's just a lot of things happening. So anyways, that's why I really wanted to work with this company, because their product looks so good, and it was just, I don't know, it just fit, it just clicked. So I reached out. They did send me these products and I'm so excited to share them with you. So without me rambling, let me share with you guys the things that I did get. So I got 2 tinctures, and if you don't know what that is CBD oil. This is 500 milligrams of CBD oil, which is basically not gonna get you high, but it is going to relax you and calm your mind down and just help with just that anxiety, just that overthinking. It really does help calm you down. And this is in the cotton candy flavor, which I did try this. I feel like it doesn't really taste that much like cotton candy. It just is very like, it just tastes like an oil. What's cool about the oils though is that you can put it in your coffee, you can mix it into a cake, you can do whatever it is you want with the oil, or you can just take it directly under your tongue. I usually do this before I go to bed every night. I think today I would like to try the hazelnut flavor. So you take 1 full dropper and then you put it under your tongue and you let that just sit there under your tongue for a minute. That way it absorbs the fastest into your bloodstream and it starts working faster. Genuinely speaking, I think I would prefer to mix the oil in a smoothie or in a coffee or in something rather than taking it under my tongue. I know that is the fastest way, but it tastes like straight up oil and I just feel like, so that's just me though. It does taste really good. It does taste like hazelnut, and the cotton candy did taste like cotton candy. However, it was just very very oily. Obviously it's an oil, So not only do they have oils, if you're kind of like apprehensive about the oils, they do have also gummy bears. So this has 30 gummies and each gummy is 25 milligrams. So I'm excited to try this out too. I think I'm gonna take all of them at one time. And then they also have their cookies, which I'm so excited about. I love like edibles. I love things that I could just eat. So I'm really excited to try out the cookies as well. So these are really good. They're handcrafted and handmade, so that's really fun. Let's go ahead and try these out. Ooh. Ooh, they smell really good. What flavor is this? Is there a flavor on here? I don't think there is, but this is what, if you guys want to see, that's what the cookies look like inside. Let's try one of these. I'm so excited. All right, let's try this out. A little hard. Those are good. Those are super good. I'm on a diet, y'all. All good. All right. I definitely need to eat this with a little bit of milk. So I got my glass of milk and I'm gonna try it with the cookie and see how it tastes. I'm so excited. Let's do this. I'm so excited. My teeth are all bad, that's why I can't break it. It's not like a hard cookie or anything though. It's so good. Getting milk was literally the best decision. I literally can't. I'm literally sitting here eating the entire cookie out. I can't. No. It's like legit so good though. Now I'm gonna try out a gummy bear. I don't usually like gummy bears. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Not because of the actual product, but because of the fact that I don't really like gummy bears. Let's see how this goes. People love red gummy bears, so let's do that. So they're good. They do taste good. They're definitely just that gummy texture that I personally don't love. But it tastes good, like the actual gummy bear. It tastes good. So yeah, I'm super excited. All of the products were made right here in the USA. There is no THC in here, so it's not gonna get you high. It's just going to relax and calm you down. Yeah, everything tastes really good and everything is just all natural, so I love that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If any of you guys are interested in trying any of these out, I do have a coupon code. The code is Reesiibabe15, so if you go on the website, I'll have that linked down below. You type in Reesiibabe15, you get 15% off of your order, which is awesome. I don't get anything from it. It's just literally for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are suffering from anxiety, you can't really sleep, you're an overthinker, you know, you have a lot of things going on at one time, you just need something to calm down, but you don't want to do anything illegal, definitely check out Sugar and Kush. I'm really excited about it. I am just literally gonna like pass out right now. No, I'm just kidding, but no, I feel like really nice and relaxed. I feel like I'm focused on one thing, and I'm excited about that. So I can't wait to see how these are gonna work out for me later on as I continue to use it. So I'm really excited. I'll definitely give you guys an update, but if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them for you. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will chat with you all in another video. Make sure if you guys are not subscribed to my Instagram, you guys go ahead and follow me there, and also follow me right here on YouTube. You guys can subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications, and I will chat with you all later. See ya.